Got the memory of a love filling my lonely nights. Still think about you from time to time.
You made it to the video for 739 Bellarmine Drive here in Salinas, California, in a neighborhood called Mission Park. Behind me is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, just over 2,000 square feet with a 2-car garage on a large lot. Let me show you some features. Immediately coming into the house, you know this is a mid-century home. You've got a beautiful front door, and off to the left, you've got the main living space, starting with the full kitchen. Beautiful wood cabinetry, stone countertops, and stainless steel appliances. On the left, you've got access to the 2-car garage, and then here is 2 flex spaces. They could be a large dining room or a smaller dining room, a living room, or maybe a play area for the kids. There's lots of options here. What I love about this house is that no matter what room you're in, you've got plenty of natural light coming through these beautiful skylights. Here in this room, you've got French doors that lead you out onto the back patio where you create a beautiful indoor-outdoor lifestyle. And here to the right of the front door, starting off, you've got this beautiful family room, built-in cabinetry, gas fireplace, double doors to close them if you want the privacy or open them if you don't. Heading down the central hallway, you've got most of your bedrooms on the west wing of the home. What's different is that you have wood in the bedroom areas and tile in the east wing, which is more the living space. Let's show you some of the bedrooms. Here in the spacious central primary in this house, you've got nice reading lights here, double closets, and a recently remodeled full bathroom. Come take a look. Bathed in these rich green tones. I love this bathroom. You've got dual sink vanity, plus a large shower with custom tile. Now, if you're somebody who loves entertaining, this is the patio for you. Right off of that open family room space, you've got this beautiful patio ready to put your table and all your friends to share a beautiful meal. Plus, you're surrounded by mature landscaping, including loquat, yucca. You've got this olive tree, an avocado, an orange, a lemon, and 2 different types of fig. Plus some ornamentals like this bougainvillea that brings a lot of color to the backyard. Do you want to play games or have the dog run around? This turf is perfect. It's always green and it's always ready to play on. You take the side yard down past your second fig tree, plenty of space for storage, takes you out to the front.
Tomorrow in the morning, can I call you when the sun comes up? Just to hear the way you say my name, it reminds.
So that was a home tour of 739 Bellarmine Drive. One reason I love Mission Park is that you've got those large tree-lined streets. You can just leave the car at home and walk, take the dog out, take the bike out. You can go to schools, parks, shops, restaurants. It's all here. Plus, you get that beautiful weather that South Salinas is known for. If you want more information or a private tour on this home, give me a call. I'm Pistol Pete and my direct line is 831-471-7330. Talk to you then.